Friends, chapter number 7, structural organization in animals. Today discuss dense connective tissue. These fibers, fibroblasts, are compactly packed in the dense connective tissue. Dense connective tissue are irregular pattern, are called dense regular or dense irregular tissue. In the dense regular connective tissue, the collagen fibers are present in row between many parallel bundles of fibers. This is a layer for hands. This is a layer of hands. This is a tendons part, and this layer is a ligament parts. Tendons means skeletal muscles to bones, and ligaments that attach to bone to another. This another. Dense irregular connective tissue. This tissue has a fibroblast and many fibers, mostly collagen protein is found. They are oriented differently. Next point. This type of specialized connective tissue means first dense connective tissue is a dense regular. This is a dense regular. This is a cells is regular form. Dense irregular is a cells is not regular form for collagen fiber. Specialized connective tissue. Specialized connective tissue. First cartilage, second bones, and third blood and various types of specialized connective tissue. First A. Cartilage tissue. Second bone tissue, and third blood tissue. Cartilage tissue means this is a cartilage, these collagen fibers and cartilage cells chondrocyte. Cartilage tissue means the intracellular material of cartilage is solid, pliable and resist compression. Cells of tissue is a these cells chondrocytes. These cells is a chondrocytes are enclosed with small cavities with the matrix secreted by them. This matrix secreted by them. Most of the cartilages in vertebrate embryos are replaced by bones and adults. Location for cartilage tissue. Cartilage is present in the tip of nose for animals, outer ear joints, adjacent bones and vertebral column, limbs, hands and adults. There are 4 types of cartilage tissue. First, hyaline cartilage. Second, white fibrous cartilage. Third, yellow elastic cartilage. And fourth, cartilage fused with calcium. This type of discuss of cartilage tissue. Second, discuss of bone tissue. This is a bone tissue. Bones tissue also is a skeletal tissue. It is a solid layer, brittle types, and elastin has a osseous fluid. This is osseous fluid and different salts in matrix. Its cells are called bone cells, osteocyte. The structure of bone is a very complex structure. It gives off strength to bones. It is a main tissue of the bodies. It gives structural frame of this body. The bone cell are present space called lacunae limbs. This is lacunae limbs. Bones such as a long bones of legs serve a weight bearing function. They also interact with skeletal muscle attached to them to bring about movement. The bone marrow in some bones is the site of production of blood cell. In bones of mammals, many structure like pillars are seen. It is called Harverian system. This Harverian system is a many lamellate bond material connective for rings. It is a concentric rings around large longitudinal canals within bone tissue, and these canals are called Harverian canals. Third points, blood tissue. This is a blood tissue, 3 types. First, white blood cells. Second, red blood cells, and third, platelets. WBC, RBC and platelet. Blood tissue means blood is a fluid connective tissue containing plasma. First, RBC means red blood cells and third white blood cells and platelet. It is main circulating fluid of the body, helps for transport of various substance to upper layer to lower layer to head to leg. Clear? Next topic discuss. Write note on muscle tissue. What is muscle tissue? Muscle tissue is associated with the movement of the organs of the body. This is a movement. This is an organ of the body. This is a function of the movement. Each muscle is made up of many long. This is a long hand, for example. Cylindrical means separate fiber arranged with the parallel areas. These fibers are composed of numerous fine fibrils and myofibrils. This is a myofibrils. All muscles fibers contract in response for stimulation, function of this stimulation, relax and return to their uncontract state for coordinated fashion. Their action moves to the body of the adjust change in the environment and the maintain of the position. This type of muscle tissue maintain of this position of the various parts of the body. Various parts of the body means types of muscle tissue are three types. First, skeletal muscle tissue. Second, smooth muscle tissue. And third, cardiac muscle tissue. This is a most IMP question for 11 science. First, skeletal muscle tissue. Skeletal muscle tissue means skeletal muscle tissue is closely attached to skeletal bones. In a typical muscle such as a biceps, this is a shape type. Biceps, striated means strap type. Skeletal muscles fiber are bundled together parallel fashion. A set to top connective tissue enclose several bundles of muscles fiber. This is a skeletal muscles tissue. This is a layer of striation and center points of this nucleus. Clear? Second point, smooth muscle tissue. Smooth muscle tissue location, the wall of internal organs such as blood vessels, stomach, intestine contain this type of muscle tissue. Structure of this smooth muscle, this is smooth muscle tissue. This is a main, observe this endpoint, smooth muscles fiber. Next point, location, smooth muscle tissue, structure. Each cell is a spindle shape, has two nucleus and center broader part. It is a sarcolemma is unclear. Dark and light bands not seen. This is a structure observation in electron microscope figure. There are no proper arrangement for myofibrils. Granule sarcoplasma surrounds to nucleus remaining cytoplasm large number of minute of microfibrils. This is a microfibrils. This they are bundled together connective tissue for SAT. Next, the contraction and relaxation simple muscles tissue not quick. They are involuntary in action. Voluntary, involuntary. Voluntary means respiration process, not voluntary, involuntary. Movement of the hand leg, this is a voluntary types. So they are called involuntary muscles. Their contraction and relaxation occur at very slow speed, remain still together periods so they don't get tired fast. And last, for cardiac muscle tissue, this is a layer of first striation, this first layer, second nucleus, junction between for adjacent cell means cardiac muscle tissue is location for this muscle is present only wall of the heart. Main structure, cardiac muscles are branched to cover with each other appear to the cylinder types of cardiac muscle tissue. one or two nuclei arranged in its center. One or two nuclei. One or two nuclei. It possesses organization for dark light interacted disc, and the intracellular space between cardiac cells are covered with the endomysium. Endomysium fiber cell possess structure like collagenized network of fibers. All cells, cardiac cells, dominant oblique strips are seen. Means all cells are cardiac muscles for A, I, Z, and H. H means Hansen's line. They are called intercalated discs. Intercalated are associated nearly by fibers for disc, comparatively thick for Z disc. This is the main function of Z disc. Due to reticulate arrangement of microfibrils different from these smooth muscles different, skeletal muscles different, cardiac muscles different for skeletal muscles. They are involuntary type. They possess rhythmic contraction. Don't get tired. They are full of blood supply. This is the main function of the cardiac muscles. Next lecture discuss write a note on nervous tissue of neural tissue. Thank you, student.